Kung may nangyari sa buhay mo ngayon, good man or bad, hindi yan random, hindi aksidente, at lalong hindi tsamba. May dahilan kung bakit mo na-meet ang certain people, may dahilan kung bakit ka na-delay, may dahilan kung bakit ka napagod, saktan, o napastop muna. Minsan protection, minsan redirection, minsan preparation. Life isn't punishing you, it's positioning you. Yung mga doors na na-close, hindi coincidence. Yung mga opportunities na dumating exactly when you needed them, hindi rin coincidence. The universe isn't chaotic. It's intentional. And kung nasaan ka ngayon, hindi man perfect, pero purposeful. So, the next time na may mangyari, parang sakto lang, tandaan mo, hindi coincidence, alignment yan. And alignment always leads you to the person you're meant to become.